It's 3
The
minutes
world
now
is
until the
ending.
bottom of the hour again, waiting the release of the February US jobs report, with change in non-farm payrolls expected at 175,000. The average hourly earnings month-to-month 0.3%
You gotta give us
expected,
a
with year-on-year
fire in a holly.
3.0% expected, and the unemployment rate expected to remain unchanged at 3.6%. Additionally, the US trade balance, a deficit $46.1 billion expected, and over to Canada with the net change in employment 11,000 expected, with unemployment rate of 5.6. The international merchandise trade, a deficit of 0.78 billion Canadian dollars expected from Canada. A final note here from TDS Securities. Payrolls probably slowed significantly after a mild weather-assisted surge in January. The 225,000 rise was above last year's 175,000 average, even though the trend is probably slowing. They're saying that the weather was milder than usual in February as well, but not to the same degree as January. So their 170,000 forecast allows for a 7,000 boost from temporary hiring in the 2020 census, consistent with weekly data released by the Census Bureau. One minute to go now. Ten seconds. $273,000 for change in non-farm payrolls, a revision of $273,000, with the month-on-month average earnings 0.3% year-on-year, 3.0%, unemployment rate at 3.5%. US trade balance a deficit $45.3 billion. On Canada, employment a gain of 30.3,000 with unemployment rate at 4.3%. The international merchandise trade a deficit $1.47 billion. So again, the US NFP coming in at 273,000, ahead of the expected 175,000 job gain, a prior vision of 273,000. In the private payrolls, 228,000 gained against a prior vision of 222,000, and the manufacturing payrolls again of 15,000 versus a prior revision loss of 20,000 jobs. Unemployment rate remaining at 3.5% versus expected 3.6%, with the average hourly earnings month-to-month 0.3% as expected, and year-on-year as well in line at 3.0%. Labour force participation rate at 63.4%. On the US trade balance, a deficit of $45.3 billion coming in against a prior vision deficit of $48.6 billion. Looking again at the Canadian data, the net change in employment a gain of 30.3 thousand against the expected gain of 11,000. Part-time employment change a loss of 7.3, and the full-time 37.6, with the unemployment rate of 5.6% as expected. And the international merchandise trade is a deficit of 1.47 billion Canadian dollars against a prior vision deficit of 0.73 billion.
Just me, or is this a really dull?
Yeah, very.
And the numbers were so strong. Huh.
Especially they said before, like the number's gonna be terrible.
Nothing moved. Up you pup.
Yeah, 21 pips swing on euro dollar. And 18 on dollar CAD.
Gold though.
Alright, I'm off now. I just wanted to stream the non-farm payrolls, but they were, well, unexpectedly uneventful. So have a great weekend, everybody. And see you in the chat room.